Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Frigidaire dishwasher error code i30. If you want to fix this error, then here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where people spread their opinion regarding this. One people says that hi there i30 means that a leakage has occurred and water has entered a bottom tray and anti-flooding device gas been activated. How long the dishwasher ID in use? Are filters clean? If this happened only once so far, you can try cleaning filters and leaving appliance unused for a couple of days. If the leakage is small, water might evaporate and will be okay to use it afterwards. If not, I would recommend to contact service provider as the appliance need to check from inside. This is the first thing you need to try. And here you will see another people says that I30 means that the dishwasher think it has flooded with water. You will want to uninstall the dishwasher and tip the dishwasher forward 45 degrees to drain any water out that in the base pan below the dishwasher. Then reapply power to the dishwasher and try again. If you still get the error I30, there is a pressure switch on this dishwasher which is supposed to tell the dishwasher when to stop filling with water and tell the control board how much water is the tub which is ready incorrectly. This pressure switch below the tub would need to be replaced to resolve the issue. So this is the second thing you need to consider. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.